In this video, I'll show you how to send a test email on Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace, in this video, I'll show you how to send a test email in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you just want to simply click on email campaigns. Now, once you are on email campaigns, you want to head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on create. And once you do that, you'll be taken to the template store of the email campaigns. In here, you can choose from one of the templates that are available. At the very top, there are also a few options for you to choose from. And if you want to start on a blank template, just simply head over to the top and right corner and click on blank template. Now, once you do that and you have a Now, once you have chosen your template, simply head over to the top bar and on the right corner, click on Use this template. Now, you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your email campaigns. Now, on the email, this is where you can start customizing the email, and if you highlight the text boxes, you'll be able to change its text as well as the paragraphs. Now, if you want to add another element, just simply click on the text box or somewhere around on this area, and you will see a plus sign to pop up. Once you do that, you can add a text, a line, a button, product, images, spacer, blog, and discount. On the right-hand side, you can change the color of the email background, the content background, as well as the link color. And in here, you can also change the font. Now to send a test email, and once you are satisfied with all of the changes you have created within your email, simply head over to the second tab, which is email on the right-hand side. Now from here, it will be labeled as a campaign. Now the first step is to add a subject line. You can send this subject line as a test email. And at the bottom, you can even add an email preview for the supporting details. Now you want to head over to the to and from. And from here, what you want to do is simply click on unique recipients. In here, you can actually do all of your subscribers, or if you want to select the subscribers in which you have, you can just simply select them. On the sender details, this is very essential. You want to add the details that your recipients see when the from line of the Now on the sender details, it is essential that you add a sender, and that is what the recipients will see from the from line. So what you want to do is head over to the bottom and click on add sender. And once you do that, a pop-up will show. From here, you want to add the sender name, just add your name, and at the bottom, add your email. And once you're done, simply head over to the top bar and on the right corner, click on next. Now you'll be asked to verify the exact email in which you added there. And once you have your verification code, just simply add it in here. And once you're done, simply head over to the top and right corner and click on next. And once you do that, your sender details have been saved. Now click on OK. Now to add a test email. Now to do a test email, you want to head over back to the email. Click on back at the top and left-hand side. Now on the footer, you can also add an address. The business name is optional. However, you can add any address in it that you want to be. And once you're done, you can also and once you're done, simply head over to the bottom and click on send test. I'm unable to send a test, and the reason for that is I need to upgrade my account to a different plan. Now, if you haven't upgraded your account to send campaigns, then that is something that you want to do. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.